Right now, I'm just having like a lot of neck issues and tension. I can actually feel like knots at the base of my head and my neck. My mobility and both my shoulders feel like super limited. I feel very tight, and I think it's mostly just because of like the lockdown. I'm hunched a lot and I'm on my phone a lot and I'm like really immobile. I'm not really staying too active. So definitely some hip issues as well, but it's mostly like upper back, shoulders, and neck area.
All right.
It's like really bad on the right side.
Yeah, I can feel a lot of tension through there. Now, headaches at all?
There was for a few days, not the last couple days though.
Okay, good. So I'm going to start actually on the left side. I'm going to just bring you over here. Good. And then over here on the right. Good. Still going to be some muscle to get to release over on the right side here, so I'm going to hold you. You let me know if the pressure's too much.
Okay. I don't really mind. I'm like, rip off the Band-Aid, just go in.
Well, we can definitely go that route too. And then you're going to get a little bit lower in the neck here. You're okay with that pressure too?
Mm-hmm.
All right, perfect. Oops. It just doesn't want to get work done in there. Sorry. I don't think it'll be quite as bad over here, but yeah, there's definitely some in there. You've been beaten up since I saw you last.
Yeah, apparently.
I think I'd seen you too. You were probably, it was before the lockdown, so
Yeah.
you were in probably neck deep and tattooing every day too, I think,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I was. And like I knew the lockdown was coming, so I was trying to like catch up on clients and fit everybody in, and it was actually insanity.
I believe it. How many hours a day were you putting in at that point?
It varies based on the tattoo. I usually work 6 days a week. It can range anywhere from 3 to 4 hours to 6 to 8. It really just depends on the piece. I usually just take 1 to 2 clients a day.
Fair enough. And just that last little bit. Couple deep breaths for me here. There we go. You're slowly getting taller.
I can be 5'3" on a good day.
You'll be 5'3.5" when you're walking out of here.
Yes.
You will need to put your shoes back on for that, though. And then I'm going to get you face down when you're ready for me. Just going to bring your hood perfect up like that. And that is also really tight. As is that. So I'm going to start up here with you.
Okay.
I'm going to borrow your head here. And good. Then I'm going to come around. And nice. Side note, this sweater feels super, super comfortable.
It is. There's matching pants.
Oh, that's amazing. Alrighty, and then up in through here, I'll have you take a breath in. Yep. Nice. Some really good ones today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You need to overwork yourself and not see me often enough more often.
Apparently.
Definitely not for your sake in any way, but for the
It's
sake
so
of quality
satisfying.
YouTube content.
Right?
Okay, so you're bending almost infinitely better on the right side than you are on the left. And with a straight knee, can you raise your right leg up as high as you can in the air for me? Not as good as I was expecting. Let that down. Try the other one when you're ready. Yeah, that was closer to what I wanted. So, left is better than the right there. If I bend you up here, can you hold that up? I'm going to try and uncurl you. Could be better. And then if I hold, I'm going to start with the left SI joint. Hold that there again for me. Better, and then with no support, that goes away. I'm going to switch you here. Try and hold that up for me. Perfect. So I'm going to get you turned facing me over this way. Perfect. And then I'm just going to get you to straighten that bottom leg out. You got it. There we are. And a breath in here for me. Yep. Nice. And then I'll get you facing the other way. So straighten you out here. Perfect. Good. Gonna bring it just, you got it like that. And out.
That
Wow.
felt amazing.
All right, I'm gonna get you back face down for me. That was really good.
That's so fun. I've like had this urge, like I just need to crack my back. And, like I like keep trying to stretch to do that. I was like, no, I just need to back cracker.
So this time, if we bend you up, nice and even, much better on that left side. Can you raise the right leg up as high in the air as it'll go for me? Good, and then the left. Good, still actually a hair better on that left side. So I'm gonna get you to bring your right leg up in the air for me one last time. Try and hold that up. Yeah, okay. So, let's see, there we are. If I have you bring that up, I might have lied about one last time. There we go. So you get to relax. We're going to do some lymphatic drainage work through the back here. Not too bad or not too ticklish through there?
No, just
Perfect.
fine.
Good, and then if you raise that right leg up and hold. Good, and that does seem to go higher. Can you just bring that up as high as it'll possibly go? There we go, and then try the left one last time, hopefully. Okay, closing in on it at least. Are you okay if I check right in your hips?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we're gonna do some work in there. You may not, yeah, be very happy with me for a minute. I swear, I heard you were the kind of person who just wanted me to get in there, rip the Band-Aid off, and go for it, though. At some point, like 5 minutes ago. Nice deep breaths. The better you breathe through this, the better it'll be as an experience. There we go. See? Not so bad.
Sure. Oh, God.
Ah, there we go.
I
What
did
was
not
that?
growl.
Perfect.
Oh.
We're almost done.
God.
There we go. Okay.
That's a good reaction.
Torture time's over on the left, and now it's torture time on the right.
Oh, it's not as bad.
Oh, that's good. Oh, interesting. You're getting kind of red from the percussor in there, even. That's. Do you bruise super easily?
Not usually, but
okay.
like I do have sensitive skin, so.
Fair. It could just be that then. Yeah, hopefully you won't end up too bruised through here, but
Should be fine.
not as bad on this side I'm taking it either?
No,
Okay.
no.
Yeah, you're reacting very differently.
I thought my right would be worse, actually.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, so far not so much.
Also, just a very vocal person. It's not necessarily a bad thing.
No, it makes it entertaining.
Oh my god.
A little bit in there, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The humming is a survival tactic I haven't really heard. There we go. All right. And then, hopefully for the last time, just with that worked out, can I get you to raise the right leg up as high in the air as it'll go? Good. And then same with the left. Okay. That seems happier.
Mm-hmm.
When you're ready, I'm going to get you on your back for me once more and check in through more the front of the hips. And, all right, so from here, I'm going to start through your feet.
Oh my god.
Ticklish?
It just freaks me out.
Oh, fair. Okay. There we go.
Oh.
I'm going to give you a tug through the ankle too. Good.
I'm definitely going to be taller now.
Absolutely. That's the hope, at least. You're going to be a star center in a women's basketball team soon.
You gotta be able to
You're going to
get
walk out
something
of here
in
and
the net.
smash your head off the top of the door frame. And
Yeah, if only I could actually shoot, though.
well, we'll do that at least twice more, and then you'll be like 8 feet, and you'll just be able to dunk it without leaving the ground.
Perfect.
Shooting won't be an issue.
Sounds good. My right foot is so much more sensitive. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Good. And then, yeah, I am going to bring the percussor into the bottom of the feet. Especially that right foot is very, very tight. Now, are you going to be okay with that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Not the worst thing I've done to you today.
No,
Good.
no. After the butt stuff, everything else is not as
Perfect.
bad. Yeah, on my right foot, near like, I guess the ball of my foot, like under my right toe, I get this weird like clicking thing. And like I
Okay.
can't get like a foot massage when I get a pedicure or anything because it like clicks and snaps and it's like actually painful.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
And it's been like that for as long as I can remember, so I don't know.
I'm just going to get into the other foot for a minute.
That was amazing.
What's that, sorry?
That was amazing.
Good. Now, sorry, which toe did you say it was under?
Yeah, so it's basically right where you have your right hand, like there,
Okay.
yeah.
No issues doing that?
No, although it does feel like stiff, like it is going to do
Definitely
it.
a little bit. Can I get you to push the toe down into my hand? I'm going to just see if I can lift you here. Yeah, a lot more easily than I'd like to. And then can you push the toe up into my hand? I'm going to try and bring the toe down. Well, that one seems okay at least. So more of a down thing. Let's see, if I hold you just in through the bottom of the foot here, can you push down with the toes again? And one more. No, that doesn't help. That feels a little rough. Can you try that again? Push down for me. And then one more, push down. Yeah, that's a huge difference. So I'm going to get you to bend up here. This is going to be a little on the uncomfortable side.
Okay.
A lot on the uncomfortable side. Actually, you don't seem like you're doing too bad with it.
No, it's not that bad. No,
Perfect.
seriously, after the butt thing,
Everything is great.
Yeah. But it's definitely uncomfortable.
All right. And then push down for me again with the toe. Much, much better. Good. All right. And then from here, can you just push the ankles apart for me? I'm going to try and push you back together. Good. Push the ankles together. I'm going to see if I can bring you apart. With the left leg, I'm going to have you kick straight up into me. And then same thing with the right. Good. I'll ask you to bend your knees up so your feet are flat. And then just hold the knees together. That seems good. And push them apart. Perfect. And so, yeah, there's still an adjustment I'm going to make in here if you're up for that. I'm going to bring your head just over to your right. I'll have you take a deep breath in and out. There it is.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, so the joint is better. The trap itself is still struggling a bit, so we'll get the percussor in there as well. Doing okay there?
Yeah.
Sorta.
Yup.
Yep. All right. Nice deep breaths. That's a lot better. Good, and then I'm going to check through your shoulders, so over your arm here. And just bring it right back. Moving really well there, actually. Perfect. And then
Wow,
switch
I'm actually
to your left.
surprised by that.
It's good. And that's really good too. Actually, you know what? That might be even a little better just going straight back. Yeah, I thought that was good compared to your left. It's not. So I will adjust through here. Good, and then let that relax again. Yeah, there it is. Perfect. If you don't mind, I will get you to just feel all that out for me. Let me know how we're doing.
Good.
Anything left in there?
No, I feel good. I feel renewed.